SYBCS N3 Data Structure. Now let us see the syllabus given by the university. Subject name data structure, course code 304, purpose of this particular course, course objective, prerequisites, course outcome. In this particular course, you can understand how the particular data can be arranged by using the various type of structure. And course objective is that you learn the different type of data structure, how the data are stored in the what are the way available to storing the data in computer with the help of programming language. And you are also going to learn how the data structure are used in the different real world application. What are the prerequisites you require or this particular course requires? That you require the C programming language, because in this particular course we are going to do the programming with the C programming language. By using this particular course, you can learn how we can solve our programming problem by using the data structure languages, and you can also improve your programming skills. Course outcome will be you learn how you can design the algorithms. By using the algorithms, further how you can implement your program, so your whole logic will be clear. So you can use this particular logic in other program or developing for the other programming languages. Course content. In this particular Unit 1, Introduction to Data Structure. In this we have to learn definition, types of data structure and storage representation of the primitive data structure. Unit 2, Non-Primitive Linear Data Structure. In this we learn array, stack, queue and linked list. In this all the particular type of data structure have a different type of operations like insertion, deletion, searching, sorting and displaying the particular data. Unit 3 is about the non-primitive and non-linear data structure. In this we have to learn definition of graph, concept and definition of the tree, types of binary tree, ordinary, simple, strictly and complete binary tree, and then operations on binary tree, traversal, insertion and deletion. Next one is the storage representation of the binary tree, linked, sequential and threaded. Next one is the binary search tree. Next one is the application of tree. Unit 4 is about the searching and sorting techniques. That what are the searching techniques available in data structure and what are the different sorting techniques available. We are going to learn few sorting and searching techniques. In this searching, we have to learn sequential and binary search. In these sorting techniques, insertion, selection, quick, two-way merge sort and bubble sort we are going to learn. There are many sorting techniques are available. Few of them are here. These are the basic sorting techniques. Unit 5 is balance tree. In this we have to learn introduction of the balance tree and types of balance tree, AVL tree and 2-3 tree. There are many reference books given by the university and many books are available in the library, but we have to prefer two books in which we cover all the things related our syllabus. First one is an introduction to data structure with application by Trimley and publisher is Tata McGraw-Hill. And next one book is Expert Data Structure with C by the R.B. Patel, Khanna publication. See, in this particular course of the data structure, we have to do the program in C programming language. Unit 2, 3, Unit 2, and we can say 4th, in which we have to implement the programs. Like we are going to learn the searching technique programs, sorting technique programs, and Unit 2, which contained array, stack, queue, and linked list. All the programs we are going to learn. Unit 1, 3, and Unit 5. Tree programs are not included in the syllabus, so you don't need to do a tree program. But we learn to learn the basic concept of the tree and how the particular algorithm works, that we have to learn, but programs are not we have to learn. Thank you so much.